Hi students, next question. Do this. Write the following rational numbers in the decimal form and find out the block of repeating digits in the question. The question is 1 by 3. So we know that division, how to divide. So we have studied in our earlier classes. So let us divide 1 by next by 3. So 1 is not divided by 3, therefore 0 point. So take here 0. 3 3 is a 9. 10 minus 9 it is 1. So already we have considered point, therefore we can write here 0. 3 3 is a 9. Continuously we get. Okay. Therefore 1 by 3 is equal to 0.3 bar. So the decimal form of 1 by 3 is equal to 0.3 bar. So what are the, find out the block of repeating digits. So what are the repeating digits? Repeating digit, that is equal to 3. So that is the answer. So block of repeating digits in the quotient is 3. So in the same way, next question now. Second one, 2 by 7. Divide 2 by 7 by actual division. So 2 is divided by 7. So it is not possible, then consider here 0 point and take one 0 here. 7 3s are 21. So before that you take 7 2s are. 7 2s are 14. 20 minus 14 it is 6. Now take one 0 here. 7 6 7 8 are 56. 60 minus 56 it is 4, and consider one more 0 here. 7 6 are 42. 7 5 is 35. So 40 minus 35 is 5. So one more 0, it becomes 50. 7 7s are 49. 50 minus 49 it is 1. Take one more 0 here. 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7 it is 3. 0. 30. 7 3s are 21. Sir, 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 2. 0. Again the same process continues. So 7. So therefore we can say that 2 by 7 is equal to 0.285714 bar. So what is the repeating digits? Repeating digits is equal to 2857414. So this is the answer. Next question. Five by 11. Now divide 5 by 11. So 0.0. 11 4s are 44. 6 0. 11 5s are 55. 5 0. So we get 5 by 11 is equal to 0.45. Okay. Therefore repeating digits is equal to 4 5. Fifth question, 10 by 13. Almost fifth question, 10 by 13. Now divide 10 by 13. So take here 0 point and 0 here. That fourth question is. Next question, 10 by 13. Now divide 10 by 13. So it is not possible, then you consider here 0 point, take one 0 here. 13 sevens are 91. So 100 minus 91 it is 9. So take 0 here. 13 6 are, it is 78. 90 minus 7, 10 minus 8 it is 2. 8 minus 7 it is 1. So take 0 here. 13 nines are, it is 117. So 120 minus 17, 117 that is 3. So take 0 here. 13 twos are 26. So 30 minus 26 it is 4. Put a 0 there. 13 threes are 39. So 40 minus 39 is 1. So we can take 0 here. But so 10 is less than 13. Therefore, we have to consider 0 here and you can write 0 here. Then the same thing, same numbers will get once again. That is 13 sevens are 91. So 9, 0. Then again you have to consider 6. Therefore, we get 10 by 13 is equal to 0.769230 bar. Repeating digits is equal to 769230. That is the answer. Okay, students, next one. Exercise 1.3 questions. Write the following rational numbers in their decimal form and also state which are terminating and which are non-terminating repeating decimal form. Okay? Non-terminating repeating decimal form. So, first question is 3 by 8. So, with actual division, divide 3 by using number 8. So, it is not possible. 3 is not divided by 8. Therefore, take here 0 point and put 0 here. 8 3s are 24. So, 8 3s are 24, 8 4 is 32. So, 32 is not possible. No? Let us take 8 3s are 8 3s are 24. 30 minus 24 it is 6. 0. 8 sevens are 56. 60 minus 56 it is 4. 0. 8 5s are 40. Okay. Therefore, we can write that is 3 by 8 is equal to 0.375. So, further we cannot solve this question. So, it is stopped. So, if it is stopped, then we can say that it is terminating decimal. Therefore, we can say that 3 by 8 is a terminating decimal. What is that? 3 by 8, that is equal to 0.375 is a terminating decimal. Further, we cannot solve the question. Okay, that is a terminating decimal. Second one, right, 229. Second question, 229 divided by 4. So, with actual division, we can divide like this. 400 is the divisor of 229. So, it is not possible. No? Consider 0 point here and put 1 0 here. Now, 4 table. 4 sevens are 28, but it is 22. No? 4 fives are 20. Yes, we can take 400 into 5. That is 2000. 4 fives are 20. Double zeros here. So 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 0 is 9, 2 minus 0 is 2. So already we taken decimal of, here we can consider one more 0. 400 into 7, it is 2800. So 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 9 minus 8, it is 1. Okay, next to 0. 400 2s are 800. 1000 minus 800, it is 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 10 minus 8, it is 2. Now take 0 here. 400 into 5, it is 2000. So it is 0. Therefore, 229 divided by 400, that is equal to 0.5725. So further, we cannot solve. Already we got that answer. Therefore, it is a terminating decimal. So it is a terminating decimal. Next question. Okay, next question. It is given the mixed fraction, that is mixed number 4 1 by 5. That is equal to 4 5 are 20. 20 plus 1, it is 21. 21 by 5. Now divide 21 by 5. 5 4s are 20. 1.0. 5 2s are 10. So it is also 4 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is equal to 4.2. So it is a terminating decimal. Next question, fourth question, that is 2 by 11. Divide 2 by 11. So it is not possible. 0 point, take 0 here. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. So 11 ones are, we can write here, 11 ones are 11. 20 minus 11, it is 9. So take 0 here. 11 eights are 88. So 90 minus 88, it is 2, 0. So once again, we get 11 ones are 11, 9, 0, 11 eights are 88. So continuously we get the same values. Therefore, we can write that as 2 by 11 is equal to 0.18 bar. So further, we can solve. So continuously we get the same values, 0.18181818. So there is no stoppage. Therefore, we can say that this type of decimals are called as non-terminating repeating decimals. Therefore, it is non-terminating repeating decimals. Non-terminating repeating decimal. So 2 by 11 is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Fifth question, 8 by 125. Divide 8 by 125. So take here 0.0, but 8 is less than 125. Still, we cannot divide. Therefore, consider 0 here and one more 0 here. Now, let us write the factors of 125. 125 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. 1 4 1s are 4, 5. Okay. Next, consider some more values, that is 125 into 6. 6 5s are 30. 3 6 2s are 12 plus 3. It is 15. 1 6 1s are 6. 7 750. So we get this 750. We can write here 600. 6 5s are 30. 3 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. 1 6 1s are 6 7 750. So 800 minus 750, it is 50. So write 0 here, then 4s are. So it is equal to 500, and that is equal to 500 minus 500, it is 0. Therefore, we can write 8 by 125 is equal to 0.064. So it is stopped, no? So it is a terminating decimal. Okay, next question, students. Without performing the division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or non-terminating decimal form. So without dividing or without using actual division, we have to say that whether it is a terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. So it's very simple. Take the denominator. What is the denominator? That is 3125. Take the prime factors of this denominator. So 5 ones are 5 6 are 30. 1 remains. 1 2, it becomes 12. 5 twos are 10. 2 5, it becomes 25. 5 5s are 25. Once again, 5 table. 5 ones are 5. 1 remains. 1 2, it becomes 12. 5 twos are 10. So 12 minus 10, it is 2. 2 5 becomes 25. 5 5s are 25. So once again, 5 table. 5 twos are 10. 2 remains. 2 5 becomes 25. So 5 5s are 25. Next to 5 5s are 25. Next to 5 ones are 5. So we can write that as 13 by 3125, that is equal to 13 by 5 power 1 2 3 4 5. 5 power 5. So when the denominator is of the form either 2 power n or 5 power n or both 2 power n into 5 power n form, then we can say that it is terminating decimal. So the denominator is of the form 5 power m. Therefore, we can say that it is a terminating decimal. So, what is that? It is a terminating decimal. I repeat once again, when do you say that it is a terminating decimal? When the denominator is of the form either 2 power n or 5 power m or both 2 power n into 5 power n. Then we can say that the given number or given question is a decimal form. Okay. So let us solve some more questions. Second question, 11 by 12. Denominator is 12. Take the prime factors of 12. 2 6 next to 2 3 3 1s. So we write that 11 by 12 is equal to 11 by 2 square into 3. Now observe this. Our denominator must be in the form of either 2 power n or 5 power m or both 2 power n into 5 power m. But here 11 by 12 is equal to 11 by 2 square into 3. It is not a terminating decimal. Simply we can say that it is not a terminating decimal. Why? Because the denominator is not in the form of 2 power n, 5 power m. Of course, here 2 power n is there, but 5 is not there. Instead of 5, there is 3. That's why it is not a terminating decimal. Okay, next question, 64 by 455. So the same process follows here. 455, take the prime factors of 455. 5 table, 5 nines are 45, 5 ones are 5. Next, 7 table, 7 ones are 7, 2 remains, 2 1 it becomes 21, 7 threes are 21. Next, 13 ones are 13, 13 is one prime number. Therefore, we get, or we can write that as 64 by 455, that is equal to 64 by 5 into 7 into 13. The denominator is not in the form of 2 power n or 5 power m or both 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore, it is non-terminating decimal, non-terminating repeating decimal. So it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. Next question, 15 by 1600. So 1600, that is the denominator, prime factorization, 2 8s are, 0s are, 0s are, 2 4s are, 0s are, 0s are, 2 2s are, 0 double zeros, 2 hundreds are, 2 50s are, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 1 0, it becomes 10, 2 5s are 10, next 5 5s are, next 5 1s are. So we write 15 by 1600 is equal to 15 by, so how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 power 6 into 5 square. So 1, 5 and 3. So we get 3 by 2 power 6 into 5. So the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So therefore it is a terminating decimal. Denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore, it is a terminating decimal. It is a terminating decimal. Next question, fifth question, 29 by 343. Take the denominator, that is 343. Find the prime factors. 7. 7 fours are 28. 6 remains. 6 3 63. 7 nines are 63. Next 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 7. So 29 by 343 is equal to 29 by 7 cube. So the denominator is not of the form 2 power n or 5 power m or both 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore, it is not terminating repeating decimal. Denominator is not in the form of 2 power n or 5 power m or 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore, it is non-terminating decimal, repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. Right, next question. 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. Now, directly given, look at the denominator. Here, denominator is in the form of, the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore, it is a terminating decimal. Directly we can say it is a terminating decimal. No need of writing anything, or no need of finding, or no need of taking the prime factors. Directly he mentioned, or directly the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Then we can say that it is a terminating decimal. Right, next question. 129 by 2 square into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5. Observe the denominator. The denominator is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, and we can say that it is non-terminating repeating decimal. The denominator is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power m. Therefore, it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. Next question, eighth question, 9 by 15. So we write that 9 by 15 as 9 by 3 5s are 15. So there is a possibility of cutting 3 1s are 3 3s are. So it is equal to 3 by 5. Now the denominator is of the form here, denominator is in the form of 5 power m. Therefore, it is terminating decimal. So it is terminating decimal. Next question, that is ninth question, 36 by 100. We write 36 by 100 as, so take the prime factors of 100. 2 5s are 10, zeros are 2, 2s are 4, 1 remains 1 0, it becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. Next 5 5s are 5 1s are. So we write 36 by 100 as 2 square into 5 square. Now observe the denominator. Denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore, it is a terminating decimal. That is the answer. Next question, 77 by 210. Take the prime factors of denominator 210. 2 ones are 0, 2 5s are. Okay. 2 ones are 2 and 0, 2 5s are 10. Next, 5 table. 5 twos are 5 ones are. Next 3 table. 3 sevens are 7 table. So we write that as 77 by 2, 10 is equal to 77 by denominator 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So here there is a possibility of cutting. So we can cut here 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 ones are. So we get 11 by 2 into 3 into 5. So if you observe the denominator, it is not in the form. Denominator is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore, it is non-terminating, repeating decimal. So the given question is non-terminating, repeating decimal. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form using theorem 1.4. The question is 13 by 25. So without actual division, we have to write in the decimal form. Okay, 13 by 25. So we write that 13 by 25 as 13 by 25. We can write as 5 square. Right? So the denominator must be in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. But in the denominator there is no 2 power n. So let us multiply denominator with, what is the power of 5 here? So the power of 5 is 2, no? So we have to multiply the denominator and numerator. Sorry, both denominator and numerator with 2 square. So that becomes 13 by 25 is equal to 13 by 2 square into 5 square into 2 square. So that is equal to 13 into 4 by, so it is equal to 4 into 25. 13 fours are 52. 52 divided by 4 into 25 is 100. Now tell me what is the answer. So it is 0.52. So without actual division, we got, or we find the decimal. So 13 by 25 is equal to, it is equal to 0.52. Next question, 15 by 16. So that is equal to 15 by 16. 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So 15 by 16 we write that as 2 power 4. Okay. Now multiply and divide both numerator and denominator with, so it is 2 power 4, no? So actually the denominator must be in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So 2 power n is there, but 5 power m is not there. So we have to multiply and divide both numerator and denominator with 5 power. What is the power here? 4. 5 power 4. So 15 by 16 it becomes 15 into, now we are multiplying numerator with 5 power 4 and the denominator also with 5 power 4. So it becomes 15 into 5 power 4. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625 divided by 2 power 4, it is 16 into 5 power 4. It is also 1620, oh sorry, 625. 15 5s are 75, 7 carry. 15 2s are 30 plus 7, 37, 3 carry. 15 6s are 90, 90 plus 3, 93 by. Now multiply this 625 into 16. 6 5s are 30, 3 carry. 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15. 1 carry. 6 6 are 36 plus 1, 37. Next, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 6s are 6. So it is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1 it is 10, 1. 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 1 it is 10. So it is 10,000. Okay. So now what is our answer? 9375. The zeros are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 0.9375. Next question, 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. Now observe the denominator. So the denominator is in the form of 2 power m, n and 5 power m. But the powers are not same. Now we have to make the powers same. So to make the power same, we have to multiply and divide both numerator and denominator with 5. So 23 by 2 cube into 5 square, that is equal to 23 into numerator is multiplied by 5 and the denominator 2 cube into 5 square into denominator is also multiplied by 5. So what it becomes? It becomes 5 3s are 15, 1 carry 5 to the 10 plus 1 11. 115 by 2 cube into 5 square into 5 power 1, that is 5 cube. Denominators 2 power 3 into denominator 2 power 3 into 5 power 3. So that is equal to 115 or 115 by 2 cube is 8 and into 5 cube is 125. Okay. So it is 115 divided by 8 5s are 40, 4 remains. 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 20, 2 carry. 8 1s are 8 plus 2, 10. So our answer is 0.115. So this is the decimal form of 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. Next question, fourth question, 7218 divided by 3 square into 5 square. So we write that as 7218 divided by 3 square is 9, 9 into 5 square. You write 5 square. So 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72, 0, 9 twos are 18. There is a possibility of cutting. Therefore, we can cut by using 9 table. 9 ones are 9 eights are 72, 0, 9 twos are 18. That is equal to 802 by 5 square. Now look at the denominator. Okay. Denominator is 5 square. So multiply and divide both numerator, and denominator with 2 power 2, 2 square. That is equal to, so what it becomes, 802 divided by 5 square. So we are multiplying 2 square by 2 square. So it becomes 802 into 4 divided by 5 square is 25 and 2 square is 4. So 4 twos are 8, 400, 4 eights are 32 divided by 100. So what is our answer? 32.08. This is the answer. Next, fifth question, 143 divided by 110. Take the denominator 110, prime factors of denominator. So 2 5s are 10, 1 remains 1 0, it becomes 10, 2 5s are 10. Next 5 1s are 5 1s are 11 1s are. 143 divided by 110 is equal to 143 divided by 2 into 5 into 11. So there is a possibility we can cut by using 11 table. 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, 3 remains, 3 3, it becomes 33, 11 threes are 33. So we get 143 divided by 110 is equal to 13 by 2 into 5. So directly it is in the form, the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So we can write that as 13 by 10, or simply we can write that is 1.3. So 143 divided by 110 is equal to 1.3. Right, next question, fourth question. Express the following decimal numbers in the form of P by Q and write the prime factors of Q. What do you observe? So 43.123, that is equal to 43123 divided by 1000. The point is after 3 digits, therefore we can write that as 1000. So we may write that as 43123 divided by 10 cube. That is equal to 43123 43123 divided by 2 into 5 whole cube, or we may write that as 43123 divided by 2 cube into 5 cube. So what do you observe? We observe that the denominator is in the form of, we observe denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. Next question, 0.12011200011 so on. So here there is no particular pattern is repeating, or simply we can say that, so it is not possible to write, it is not possible to write in P by Q form. Because, why? Because it is a non-terminating, so it is a non-terminating and non-recurring, or it may be called as repeating, non-repeating. So particular numbers are not repeating here, 12011. So again what we have to get, 12011, but which numbers we are getting here? 120011. So there is no particular repeating numbers are here. Hence we can say that because it is non-terminating and non-recurring, therefore it is irrational number. That is the answer. Next question, 43.12 bar. So you have solved this type of questions in your earlier classes, 8th and 9th class. Let us solve that question. Right. So let x is equal to 43.12 bar. That is, we write that as 43.1212 so on. Okay. The bar 43.12 bar. Let us consider x is equal to 43.12 bar, or x is equal to 43.121212 so on. So the bar is on 2 digits, then we have to multiply both sides with 100. So 100x is equal to 100 into 43.121212 so on. So what it becomes, 100x is equal to 4312.121212 so on. Okay. Now from 100x you subtract this x. So what happens? 100x is equal to 4312.121212 so on. And now we are subtracting x is equal to 43.121212. Okay, so on. Subtract it. 100 minus 1x. So it is 99x. That is equal to. So 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0. So 0. Minus 12 minus 3 it is 9. 10 minus 4 it is 6. Next to 2, 4. So therefore we can write 99x is equal to 4269, or x is equal to 4269 by 99. So this is the representation of decimal form to P by Q form. Next, denominator, or simply we can cut, or we can write in the short form also, 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 4s are 3 2s are 6 3 3 is a 9. Therefore, it is equal to 1423 by 33. That is equal to 1423 divided by 3 is in the form of P by Q form. It is rational. Rational. It is a rational. But not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. Similar question, fourth one, 0.63 bar. So let x is equal to 0.63 bar, that is x is equal to 0.6363 so on. So the bar is on 2 digits, multiply both sides with 100. So what it becomes, 100x is equal to 100 into 0.6363 so on. So 100x is equal to 63.6363 so on. Now subtract from 100x this x, that is x is equal to 0.6363 so on. So here we are subtracting now 100x minus 1x, it is 99x, that is equal to 0 0 0 0. 63 minus 0 is 63. Or simply we can write 99x is equal to 63, or x is equal to 63 by 99. So in short we can write 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 3 1s are. Again we can take the 3 table, 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 7s are. So x is equal to 7 by 11 is a rational, but it is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n.